You buy things or you run a business through a company, directly through a company. And the last one is using a trust to run a business. So the point of the exercise, and I normally like to group people just in groups of 4, so everyone basically turning to the 2 people behind them. So for those, unfortunately, so I would reckon that maybe from the back. So you turn to those 2, and then maybe you're also part of this group, just to keep it simple. And then you two, so that's 4 groups here. You guys speak to each other, and then the 3 of them there. So the point of this is I'm going to give you guys around 3 to 4 minutes, right? I just want to have an understanding of the room. I want to understand where you guys are at. Each one of you, so we'll start here and say that this group here will be natural persons, so individuals, right? You guys there will be companies, you guys there will be trusts. And then we'll start again from the beginning here, natural person, company. And if there is any extra group, I doubt that there can be trust, but I think for now that's it. The point of